Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, Andrew. Hi, everyone.
Welcome to day 25 of our 30-day English challenge.
Wow, day 25 already. Time flies.
It really does. Today, we're going to talk about food.
Oh, I like food. That sounds fun.
Me too, Ava. We'll learn how to say what food you like.
Okay, I'm ready.
So, to start, we often say, I like.
I like.
Right. For example, I like pizza.
I like pizza too.
Good. What else do you like, Ava?
I like apples.
Excellent. Apples are healthy.
Yes, they are.
We can also say, I love, for food you like very much.
I love.
Exactly. Like, I love chocolate.
Oh, I love chocolate too.
See, it's easy.
Yes, it is.
So, I like and I love.
Got it.
And if you don't like something,
How do I say that?
you say, I don't like.
I don't like.
For example, I don't like broccoli.
Oh, I like broccoli.
Really? That's good.
Yes. So, I don't like is the opposite.
That's right. It's simple.
I see.
We'll practice these today.
Great. Let's start.
Okay, Ava. Today, we talk about food.
Food? I like food.
Me too. So, I want to ask you something.
What is it?
I ask, what's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Yes, it's a good question.
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's yummy.
So, you can say, my favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Good. Now, I ask you,
Okay.
what's your favorite food, Ava?
Oh, that's easy. My favorite food is ice cream.
Ice cream. Really?
Yeah, chocolate ice cream.
Nice. So, you like chocolate.
Yes, I do.
Good. You asked me to.
Oh, right. What's your favorite food, Andrew?
That's a tough question. I like pasta.
Pasta. Like spaghetti?
Yes, spaghetti is pasta. My favorite food is pasta. Perfect. We did it. So, Ava, you know my favorite food now.
Yeah, you said it was pasta.
That's right. My favorite dish is spaghetti carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara. What is it?
It's a pasta dish.
With sauce?
Yes, but a special sauce.
Oh, what's in it?
It has eggs, cheese, and bacon.
Bacon. I like bacon.
Me too. And it's very creamy.
Creamy. Sounds good.
It is. I love the taste.
Why do you like it so much?
Well, it's simple but very tasty.
Simple and tasty.
Exactly. And it's quick to make.
Quick to make.
Yeah, you can cook it in about 20 minutes.
Wow, that's fast.
It is. So, my favorite food is spaghetti carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara.
It's easy and delicious.
Easy and delicious.
Yes, I really love it.
I want to try it now.
You should. It's a great dish.
I'll try to make it.
Good idea. Let me know how it is.
Okay, I will.
Great. So, we're talking about favorite foods.
Yeah, you talked about your favorite food.
That's right. My favorite dish is pasta. Now, Ava, what about you? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. Really?
Yeah, I love pizza.
Oh, me too. Pizza is great. So, pizza is your favorite food.
Yes, it's my number one food.
That's a good one. Can you say that phrase? It's my number one food.
It's my number one food.
Perfect. Why do you like pizza so much?
It's yummy. And it's easy to eat.
Easy to eat. I see. You can hold it in your hand.
Exactly.
So, you like pizza because it's yummy. And you like it because it's easy to eat.
Yes. And there are many kinds.
Oh, that's true. So many toppings.
Yes. Cheese, vegetables, meat.
Right. So, if you want to say something is your very favorite, you can say, it's my favorite.
It's my favorite.
Good. Like, pizza is my favorite.
Pizza is my favorite.
Excellent, Ava. So we talked about food you like.
Yeah, my pasta. It's delicious.
Good. Now let's talk about how it tastes.
How it tastes.
Yes. Like, is it sweet?
Sweet? Like sugar?
Exactly. Sugar is sweet.
Oh, I see.
What about salt?
Salt is salty.
Right. So salty is a taste.
Salty. Okay.
And sometimes, lemons are very.
Sour?
Yes. Sour is another taste.
Sour. Like my lemonade.
Perfect example.
What else?
Think about coffee.
Coffee? It's strong.
It can be. But the taste itself?
Bitter?
Yes. Bitter is a taste.
Bitter. That's a new word.
It is. So, we have sweet, salty, sour, and bitter.
Sweet, salty, sour, bitter.
Right. Can you think of a food that's sweet?
Cake. Cake is sweet.
Very good. And a food that's salty?
Crisps. I like salty crisps.
Excellent.
And sour?
Maybe some fruits, like a green apple.
Green apples are sour.
They can be.
And bitter?
Dark chocolate is often bitter.
Oh yes. I know dark chocolate.
Great. So, dark chocolate can be bitter.
Bitter.
Yes. Bitter means it's not sweet.
Not sweet. I see.
Right. What about fruit?
Fruit? Like apples?
Exactly. Apples can be sweet.
Apples are sweet.
Yes, they're usually sweet.
Okay.
Or they can be a little sour.
Sour? What is sour?
Sour is a sharp taste.
Sharp taste.
Like a lemon. Lemons are very sour.
Oh, lemons are sour. Yes.
So, apples can be sweet or sour.
Sweet or sour. Good.
Now, think about French fries.
French fries. Yum.
What do they taste like?
They taste salty.
Yes. Salty is a very common taste.
Salty.
Can you say salty?
Salty.
Perfect. French fries are salty.
Yes, they are.
And sometimes, they're a little greasy.
Greasy?
Greasy means oil.
Oh, oil. I understand.
So, salty and sometimes greasy.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, Ava, let's change the topic a little.
Okay.
Do you like to cook?
A little. Not a lot.
That's fine. What simple things can you make?
Well, I can make pasta.
Pasta. Great. What kind of pasta?
Just with sauce.
A simple pasta with sauce.
Yes. And I can make eggs.
Eggs. Like fried eggs?
Yes, fried eggs. Or scrambled eggs.
Oh, scrambled eggs are easy too.
Very easy.
What about sandwiches? Can you make sandwiches?
Oh yes, sandwiches are easy.
That's a good skill.
What about you, Andrew?
I like to cook. I can make a few things. For example, I can make a simple salad.
Salad. That sounds healthy.
It is. I also like to make toast.
Toast? Like with butter?
Yes, or jam. We can say, I can make toast.
I can make toast.
Perfect. Like, I can make toast for breakfast.
I can make toast for breakfast.
Toast is a great start, Ava.
Yeah, it's easy.
And you said you like cooking simple meals?
Yes, I do.
What's another simple thing you like to make?
Hmm. I like making scrambled eggs.
Oh, scrambled eggs. That's a good one.
They're quick.
They are. What do you need for scrambled eggs?
I need eggs,
Of course. Anything else?
milk, and butter.
Perfect. So you have eggs, milk, and butter.
Yes, and a pan.
Right. How do you make them?
I put the eggs in a bowl.
Okay.
I add some milk,
Good.
and I whisk it.
Whisk? What's whisk?
It's like mixing fast, with a fork.
Ah, I see. So you mix them well.
Yes. Then I put butter in the pan.
And then the eggs.
Yes. I cook them slowly.
Slowly is good. You don't want them too fast.
No. And I stir them.
You stir them. That's important.
Yes. And then they're ready.
Wonderful. So, the phrase is to cook something slowly.
To cook something slowly.
Like, I like to cook my eggs slowly.
I like to cook my eggs slowly.
That's great, Ava. Slow eggs are yummy.
Yeah, they are.
So we've talked about food and how it tastes. Now let's talk about what we really like.
Oh, I like many foods.
Me too. Sometimes we like something a lot. We can say, I'm a big fan of.
I'm a big fan of.
Yes, it means you like it very much. For example, I'm a big fan of pizza.
Pizza. I like pizza too.
It's delicious. So tell me, Ava, what are you a big fan of?
I'm a big fan of chocolate.
Chocolate. Of course. Who isn't? It's very popular.
It is.
I'm also a big fan of ice cream,
Ice cream is so good.
especially in summer.
Yes.
So, I'm a big fan of. It's a good way to say you love something.
I understand.
Right. Let's try another one. What about you? What are you a big fan of? So, Ava, you know the phrase, I'm a big fan of.
Yes, Andrew. I'm a big fan of pizza.
Great. So you can say, I'm a big fan of pizza.
I'm a big fan of pizza.
Perfect. Now, what else do you like?
I like apples.
Good. So you're a big fan of apples?
Yes, I'm a big fan of apples.
Excellent. How about some drinks?
I like juice. Orange juice.
Okay. So you're a big fan of orange juice.
I'm a big fan of orange juice.
Wonderful. What about something sweet?
Cake. I love cake.
Right. So you're a big fan of cake.
I'm a big fan of cake.
Fantastic. And for something healthy?
Broccoli. It's good for me.
Yes, it is. So, you're a big fan of broccoli?
I'm a big fan of broccoli.
You're doing great. Let's try one more.
Okay. What food?
Think about your favorite meal.
My mom's pasta. It's so good.
Exactly. So you can say, I'm a big fan of my mom's pasta.
I'm a big fan of my mom's pasta.
You've got it. That's a great way to say it.
So I can use it for anything I like?
Yes, anything you really, really like.
Oh, I see.
What are you a big fan of?
I'm a big fan of pizza.
Oh, pizza. That's great, Ava. So, you like Italian food.
Yes, I do. It's very good.
Today, we'll talk about food from other countries.
Other countries? Like what?
Well, like Indian food or Mexican food.
I don't know much about those.
It's fun to try new things. Have you ever tried sushi?
Sushi? Is that Japanese food?
Yes, it is. It's raw fish and rice.
Raw fish? Oh, I don't know.
Some people love it. You can try cooked sushi too. Or maybe Indian curry.
Curry sounds nice. What is it?
It's a spicy dish with meat or vegetables. It's very popular. I'm a big fan of Thai food, for example.
I'm a big fan of Thai food.
I like their pad Thai. It's noodles with chicken.
Noodles. I like noodles.
It's good to try food from everywhere.
So, you think I should try curry?
Yeah, I think you'd like it. Don't be afraid to try new tastes.
Okay, I will try.
That's the spirit. We're almost done for today. Next time, we'll practice describing food more. So, Ava, we talked about our favorite foods.
Yeah, it was fun. I liked learning about tastes.
Great. Now, imagine you're in a restaurant.
Oh, okay. I'm hungry already.
Haha, me too. You see the menu.
It's so big. What should I choose?
That's a good question. You can ask for help.
How?
You can ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Yes, it's a very useful phrase.
When do I say it?
When you don't know what to order.
I see. So, the waiter asks me.
Yes, and you say, what do you recommend?
Okay. What if they ask me again?
They might ask, what do you like?
What can I say then?
You can say what we learned before.
Like, I like pasta.
Exactly. Or, I'm a big fan of chicken.
I'm a big fan of chicken.
Good. So if you like chicken,
The waiter can recommend a chicken dish.
yes. Like, I recommend the roast chicken.
Oh, that's easy.
It is. So try to use it.
What do you recommend? I will.
Perfect. It's good for cafes too.
Or a new shop with food.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Thank you, Andrew.
So, Ava, we talked a lot about food today.
Yes, it was fun. I learned new words.
Great. Let's do a quick review.
Okay.
What's a word for something you eat and enjoy?
Food.
Yes, but more specific. Like, what's your favorite food?
Yes. My favorite food is pizza.
Good. And we talked about tastes. Sweet, salty.
And sour and bitter.
Exactly. What about that phrase we learned?
Which one?
The one for really liking something.
Oh, you mean I'm a big fan of.
That's it. You say it very well.
I'm a big fan of.
For example, I'm a big fan of chocolate ice cream.
Oh, me too.
We also learned about cooking.
Yes, simple meals.
And you said you're a good cook.
I try. I can make pasta.
Nice. And we asked for recommendations.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Perfect. You remember a lot.
I think so.
So, what's one new food word you remember?
Maybe spicy?
Excellent. Spicy food. Like chili.
Yes, I like spicy food.
Fantastic. We're almost done.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're welcome, Ava.
Today was fun.
Yes, talking about food is great.
We learned about favorite foods.
And how to describe tastes.
Like sweet and sour.
Exactly. And we learned a useful phrase.
Oh, what was it?
I'm a big fan of.
I'm a big fan of.
Yes. For example, I'm a big fan of pizza.
Ah, I see. I like that.
It's very common.
So, what's next?
We'll say goodbye for today.
Oh, already?
Yes, time flies when you learn.
It does.
Thank you to all our listeners.
Yes, thank you everyone.
We hope you enjoyed day 25.
We learned a lot.
You did great. Keep practicing.
We will.
So goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Andrew.
See you tomorrow. For day 26 of our challenge.
Yay!